Hello, today I'm doing unboxing and I'm not really sure what's in the box, and it is from Crowdtap. Pretty heavy box, about 14 pounds I believe it is, and I haven't opened it yet, so we're gonna find out together. And Crowdtap is a website where you can sign up for free and you get free products, you get to host parties, you get samples to give to your friends and your family, and it's all for your opinion. Get to talk about it, whether you like it, dislike it, pros and cons. Alright, here is your hand-picked crowd kit is here. And I have a $10 Visa gift card to help with my party, because I know this is a party kit. And the party kit consists of Garnier SkinActive Clearly Brightener. Sorry, I was trying to get the paper clip off. And we have some cards for everybody at your party. I'm not sure how to pronounce this. Micellar, M-I-C-E-L-L-A-R, cleansing water. Discover a whole new way to cleanse. Removes makeup, cleanses, and refreshes in just one step. Surprisingly powerful yet gentle on even sensitive skin. No rinsing, no harsh rubbing. And they show you here, you pour, you press to remove any makeup around your eye area, and there's the proof. What else did they send me in this? You have some pads for everybody. Have 3 boxes of Garnier SkinActive Clearly Brightener. 3 boxes of those. 3 more boxes, so that makes 6 boxes. Nine boxes. And 2 boxes of Brightening and Smoothing Daily Moisturizer. And let's see. In here, I think they're all the same. And these are the Micellar cleansing water, all in one. And I believe, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bottles of these. I'm gonna have a terrific party over the vacation. Thank you, Crowdtap. Bye.